Yo guys, check it out. I'm going to break down the quickest way to move your Google Contacts over to your iCloud account and sync them up so you can pull all your Google Contacts right on your iPhone or iPad. First up, hop on your Mac and open up Google Contacts in the browser. Just slide over to contacts.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Now once you're in, look under your contacts list. Up top, between that print icon and the three dots, you're going to see the little export button. Click on that. Next step, pick all contacts. Then make sure you choose vCard for Android or iOS before you hit export. Once you do that, a pop-up's going to ask you to allow the download. Click allow and boom, the file's coming down straight from the site. Alright, second half. We're bringing those contacts into your iCloud account. Head over to iCloud.com and log in. From there, either tap on Contacts under More Options, or just go straight to iCloud.com/contacts. Up in the top right corner, just under your profile icon, hit that plus button. From the drop-down, choose Import Contacts. Now grab the file you just downloaded from Google Contacts, select it, upload it, and give it a few seconds. And that's it. All your contacts are now imported into iCloud and syncing with your iPhone or iPad. Okay, so the next part's all about syncing iCloud contacts just on your iPhone. You gotta turn it on, then shut off the Google Contacts syncing right from your Settings app. Go ahead and launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID profile name at the very top. Scroll down, hit iCloud, then tap on See All so you can flip on Contact Sync for your iPhone. You're going to get a little confirmation pop-up about your existing local contacts. Just hit Merge so everything links up smooth. Now if that contact toggle's already on, flip it off and choose Delete from my iPhone. Then go right back, re-enable that toggle, and now you're only keeping iCloud contacts inside your iPhone's phone app. Next up, you got to shut down Google Contact Sync. Pop open the Settings app again. Scroll all the way down to the section labeled Apps. Scroll a bit more till you spot the Mail app. Tap on Mail Accounts, then slide into Gmail. Kill that Contacts toggle and boom, now your iPhone's only showing iCloud contacts. No more messy duplicates popping up in your phone app. That's it. Hope this little walkthrough helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any new free tech guide videos.